Canada's QuirkLogic wants to see an end to people taking pictures of their whiteboard notes with a smartphone. That's why it's launching the Quilla, a 42-inch smart whiteboard that's built around the world's largest electronic paper display. Paired with QuirkLogic's connected writer system, anything that you draw on the display with the stylus will be instantly stored for retrieval later. The product is the result of a 3-year partnership between QuirkLogic and E Ink, the company that's been pushing electronic paper displays for years. The same technology will also be available from E Ink itself, as a standalone display that can be used by the signage industry where low-power screens are useful. The Quilla weighs 22 pounds and has a built-in battery that enables it to keep working for 16 hours on a charge. If you're sufficiently baller, you can even daisy-chain displays together to increase your workspace rather than simply moving to another page.